Good day, Mr. Mohammad Afzal bin Abdul Alim. I'm Vinod Ganesan and my metric number is H17A0350 and I'm from Wellness course under Faculty Hospitality, Tourism and Wellness. Today I'm going to talk about my business model canvas which is based on my own business, GMV Yoga Center, mainly on therapeutic yoga service. Therapeutic yoga is defined as the application of yoga postures and practice to the treatment of health condition. Therapeutic yoga is to prevent structural, physiological, emotional and spiritual pain. Well, GME Yoga Center is capable in this market because of my own business strategy, which is followed by business model canvas. Here we go.
This is the business model canvas of GME Yoga Center. There are 9 elements which are value proposition, customer segments, channels, customer relationship, revenue stream, key partners, key activities, key resources and cost structure.
First, from the BMC model, we have the value proposition. GMB Yoga Center will provide therapeutic yoga service, which the therapeutic nature of yoga produce positive result to the people, especially adults who experience physical or mental traumas of varying degrees, in order to provide them a pathway to stress reduction. And the next element in BMC model is customer segments. GMB Yoga Center creating value for adults who ages 30 to 49 years old. GMB Yoga Center most important clients are who experience some form of physical or mental traumas. And the third element in BMC model is channels. GMB Yoga Center will reach our clients by social media marketing such as Facebook and Instagram. We will also have our own website where it will help our clients to browse about our center's information there. Moreover, we also provide volunteer classes to community to give awareness about therapeutic yoga. Social marketing is one of the most cost sufficient and we will update our daily progress at there. Next will be customer relationship. First, in-person relationship. Second, personal interaction with clients. GMB Yoga Center's instructors meet personally the clients to teach yoga due to this pandemic. Second will be online system with user profile customer needs. GMB Yoga Centers also use Google Meet platform to instruct our clients. We think this method is most efficient with our clients due to this pandemic. The fifth element in BMC is revenue stream. First, walk-in rates. We will charge 20 ringgit to the clients who walk into our yoga center. Second will be private classes. GMB Yoga Center will charge 50 ringgit for the clients where instructor have to visit clients at the residence. And the third will be unlimited monthly access. GMB Yoga Center will charge 150 ringgit for the clients who visit the center monthly. And the sixth element in BMC is key partners. First, hospital, and the second will be chiropractic officers. GMB Yoga Center's instructor will concern chiropractors, advice that will help instructors to know very detailed about therapeutic yoga. And the third will be yoga supply wholesaler. GMB Yoga Center have to deal with wholesaler to maintain center stock such as yoga mat and etc. And the fourth will be the certified yoga professional. GMB Yoga Center needs certified yoga instructors to help clients to learn correct form of poses of yoga. Seventh element in BMC is key activities. First, rent location, because GMB Yoga Center need a permanent place to teach yoga to our clients. Second will be marketing. GMB Yoga Center need to do advertisement to let people know about therapeutic yoga services. And the third will be purchase online system. GMB Yoga Center need to purchase online packages to boost up our updates to the clients out there. Next, customer retention. GMB Yoga Center will promote services to engage with clients to continue buying our services. And the last will be order all suppliers. GMB Yoga Center will make sure all supplies are in stock. And the eighth element in BMC is key resources. GMB Yoga Center need a building to start up the yoga classes to clients. Moreover, GMB Yoga Center need yoga equipment such as yoga mats, blocks, and etc. GMB Yoga Center need instructors such as physical and occupational therapists that are well trained. GMB Yoga Center need startup capital from investors to purchase resources to the centers. Last element in BMC is cost structure. GMB Yoga Center have to pay monthly rent, which is 250 ringgit for the building. Moreover, GMB Yoga Center need to pay for the yoga equipments once the suppliers supply the equipments. Monthly instructors salary, which is for 2 instructors, 1,500 ringgit each. In addition, GMB Yoga Center need to pay 50 ringgit for online software. GMB Yoga Center also have to pay 550 ringgit per year for insurance. As a conclusion, GMB Yoga Center business feasible where we get positive profit margin.